Hey everyone, this is Lance Finucci at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. We're going to talk a little bit about the Sea Ray 210 SPX. Brand new 2019 model. Has a bimini top on it, as you can see right now. And unfortunately, because we have so many boats here at MarineMax, it's a little bit tight, so we can't get a full side profile of the boat. So we're going to show you another one right next to it, in that beautiful marine blue. This one's actually a 190, but the color's the same. Let's climb aboard the 210 and I'll show you some of the features. As soon as you climb aboard, the first thing you'll notice is just going to be the clean lines of this Sea Ray. You have two captain's chairs up front, helm station, perfectly arranged, plenty of seating for all your guests, and a lot of bow seating. First thing I want to show you though is right back here. This is called sea decking that we have. It is a non-slip surface that we put on the back of the boats so that you have no problem moving around. This one also comes with the ski tow bar and the Mercury 150 on the back. Before I show you the rest of the boat, I'd like to show you the amount of storage that you have in this Sea Ray. Plenty of room back here for all your toys and anything else that you want to take, and it's conveniently hidden behind a beautiful sun pad. Also comes with an igloo cooler under the back seats, and these transom seats also have plenty of storage underneath for all of your things. Taking a better look at the helm station, you'll see all your gauges directly in front of you, including a depth finder, all your switches exactly where you want them, the Rockford Fosgate stereo system, and your controls conveniently located right next to you. The captain's chair swivels around, also moves forward and back for all different size drivers. Not to make your passenger feel left out, captain's chair on the passenger side as well. And moving to the bow of the boat, as I said, plenty of room for all your friends to sit and sun right in the front of the boat. Something else to mention on this Sea Ray is the windshield in the front closes up, so on those cold weather days you can keep the wind and the water out of your face. Come on down to MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama. Take a look at all of our Sea Rays, including this 210 SPX, and just ask for me, Lance Finucci.